Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can install plugins for your website on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, you can install these very easily. There are a lot of integrations, be it community made ones or officially endorsed ones by Squarespace, and you can pick and choose depending on your needs. Now, to get these plugins installed from your main page or from your main menu, which looks like this, you're going to go into your settings by clicking on the gear icon, clicking on third-party tools, and here you can click on connected accounts, click connect account, and you can use integrations for all of these services here. So for Facebook, the Google Search Console, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Tumblr, Chow Now, 500px, Flickr, Instagram, and Foursquare Swarm. And these are the accounts that you can connect. However, you can also go into extensions, and these are the plugins you're looking for. You have all extensions, sales and marketing extensions, shipping and fulfillment extensions, inventory and product extensions, finance extensions, and business tools. And you can freely click here to search if there is an integration depending on what you're trying to do. And as you can see, you can browse them here. Just select whichever one you want. For example, TextJar. And you can just click connect, go to that service by the link that's going to take you there, and then you just connect those two accounts, and then you can use those to edit your site however you want and integrate other services. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.